So in this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you simply keep adding stuff to the same text module forever. So this is not a good idea, and I'll show you how to fix it. So you see this is a text module here, and it just goes on and on. You'll see some of the text is kind of butted right up next to the images. There's lots of spaces. Some of the text is small, some is large, and it just goes on forever. And granted, this is on a home page. So this is, if people are going to get to here on your home page, you're asking a lot of them. You're asking them to scroll for quite a while to get down there. When you go into the module by editing the content here, you see it pulls up the rich text editor, and you'll see all the content there as well. And if I click on HTML here, you'll see that this is showing the HTML code, and these are all non-breaking spaces. You'll notice that lots of line breaks here. Every time the user comes and adds something to this, it's basically rewriting HTML tags behind the scenes here. And you'll see once we get down here quite a ways that all of this, this is defining the style of different paragraphs, and some are large, some are small, and whether the user means to or not, when she or he comes in and pastes new text in here, it's rewriting those styles. So instead, what you'll want to do, in this case, what you want to do is simply start over. Go back to your design and start over. Have this first section here. Actually, I'm going to cancel out of this so you can see it from the front again. If you really want all this content on your home page, simply add it in different modules for each one. So add a text module. The first one we'll say, give it a title of Arts Fest 2011. Then add that text to it right there. Stop right there. Then add a new module that's with a title that says Robert Gardner receives prestigious invitation, and add that text right there. Then you're not having to go back into the same module over and over and over again and update that text. Also, when you paste the text in there, paste it as plain text. Don't simply copy it from Microsoft Word or copy it from another website and paste it with all the styles that are included from those other tools. Paste it as plain text, and then you can do your formatting right in there. So yeah, in this case, you want to simply start over. In some cases, you might be able to go in and simply remove some of the HTML tags if you know what you're doing. But instead, what you want to do going forward is you want to, every time you add a new snippet of content to your site, add it in a new module so that you're not having to rearrange the same existing module time and time again.